Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to skip levels in Gardenscapes. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Gardenscapes application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up Gardenscapes guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here of Gardenscapes where you can get started playing. So you want to go ahead guys and log into your account, and after logging into your account that you're using, go ahead and click on the play button, and it's going to go ahead and take you to the next screen where you can see your garden and you can get started playing with doing mini challenges and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to skip levels when playing. Basically guys, if you go ahead and start playing and you find a mini game or some level that you want to skip, basically the answer is that you cannot do it. But there are a couple of workarounds, such guys as you can buy boosters. So basically if you want to skip some levels or just bypass them as easy as possible, go ahead guys and save up your coins, and then you will be able to buy boosters. As you can see when playing the game, it's going to look like this here, and the right side of the screen you can see all the boosters you can use. So you want to go ahead guys and click on them to buy them, and this will make it a lot easier for you to finish the level. But guys, basically you can skip the levels, and college levels can only be played once, so make sure if you play college levels do not lose them or you will never be able to play them again. But yeah guys, basically those are the solutions that you have. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.